Hello everyone, this is Thealphaprogrammer and welcome to your 9th Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a basic calculator that can add, subtract, multiply, divide. And the difference between this calculator and the previous calculator is that this calculator can also, other than just adding, can also subtract, multiply, and divide. So that's going to be the difference between the previous calculator and this one. So don't think that I'm just repeating the same tutorial because I ran out of material, because I'm not. I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple calculator that can do more than just adding. So you may have noticed two things. One is the quality of the video is a bit better, like, you know, the visual quality. And I would recommend watching this on 480p, which is the quality. And it should be on the bottom right hand side of your screen, or on your YouTube little thingamajigger. It should be like this gear thing. Just click on that and choose 480p, and you'll go to the highest quality of this video, and that's how you're gonna watch in good quality. And the other thing you probably noticed, unless you really don't pay attention at all, is that my logo is there instead of Eclipse. Well, the reason is I'm gonna start off all my videos with my logo there, explain to you what we're going to do in the video, and then switch over to the place where we're going to code it. So yeah, that's the reason. And now that we have that covered, let's switch over to Eclipse, because I'm done with my logo. Boom! Now we're over in Eclipse. And in Eclipse, inside your main.java, just import Java util scanner. And then inside your main method, make a scanner variable called scan and set it equal to new scanner, and just do system.in for the argument. And now just print on the screen, or prompt the user that do they want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And obviously we're just going with the first letter of each word as the answer. So for example, add would be A, subtract would be S, multiply would be M, and divide would be D. So just do the print statement. So system.out.print, and I use print, not println, because difference is that println puts a new line, and I don't want a new line behind it. I just want the user to input it on the same line. So print, and then inside your double quotation marks, write, do you want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Now that we've asked them that, just go to the end of your statement and terminate the line. And now, just take your scanner variable and actually first make a variable, a string variable, and just have it be A, and set it equal to scan.nextLine. And next line, as you remember in the one of the previous tutorials, it will scan the user's input and for a string. So just do next line and set, and you actually don't need any input in here, so just terminate the line, go to the next line, create another variable, this time a char variable, make it, set it, like, define it as for the variable name B, and assign the value of a dot char at, and set for the argument just do 0, which means at index 0, terminate the line, go to the next one, and now here we just do our if statement. So if b equals single quotation mark a, then just go outside of your condition and just put in your two curly brackets, and then inside the curly brackets, just prompt the user again by doing system.out.println, and sorry, not println, just print, and prompt them enter first number to add. Okay, so this just asks them to enter the first number they wish to add, and then just make a int variable. I'm gonna make mine y and set it equal to scan.nextInt, and then just prompt the user again. So do system.out.print, and inside your double quotation marks, do enter second number to add, and then just terminate your line, and then do int x and set is equal to scan.nextInt. And then you have completed your if statement that will handle what happened if the user entered A. Now just copy that by doing Control-C, and then paste it by doing Control-V, and before the if, just do else, put a space, and here just turn this into subtract, and make this subtract as well. And you probably noticed that I didn't put the what would happen, or like not what would happen, but I didn't put anything for it to add, or I didn't put any statements telling Java that we want to add these two together. I'm going to do that at the end, because I'm just going to first of all just get the bases out. So just do else if, and then just switch that to M and switch the other one to I believe it's S, and then here just change the add to multiply, and change the other add to multiply, and then after this else if, actually yes, after this else if, just make another else if, make this D, and then just switch the add to divide, and turn the other add to divide, and then just make an int z and set it equal to x/y. Put in your line terminator, and then do system.out.print this print /n, which means new line, so \n, and then after you did the backslash, just do plus sign outside of your double quotation marks, but inside your parentheses, and just do z plus, sorry, no, not z, just do z. And then you have just basically completed what would happen if the user entered D. So just copy this little section. So from the point where we define the z variable to the end of the print statement, and just paste that inside of your two curly brackets, and just switch the operator for this one to the asterisk, and then also switch the operator after you pasted it inside the S one, inside the S if statement, else if statement. Just change the operator to minus, and then finally inside your plus or inside your A if statement, just paste it and change the operator to plus, and you're done. You're done, basically. So just hit the save button, hit the run button, it launches, and then let's just do adding first. So 10 plus 12 equals 12. That's very correct. Let's do that for subtract instead. So first number I want to subtract is 2, 1, again minus 1. Fair enough. So actually the reason is that because I probably put it backwards, but it doesn't matter. Just nobody cares. Anyways, do you want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? So it asks us again. We press M, and then it says first number to multiply. I want to multiply 2 by 4, and I would get 8. I want to run it one last time and press D, and I want to divide 10 by 2, and I get 0, because, well, that's how the program works. But if you actually want it to work, you'd have to switch the Y and the Z like so. Not the Y and the Z, the Y and the X as places, as I've shown you here. Or you can just leave it like that. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Like, the user can just enter it opposite, but if you like the user to be super comfortable, this is how you do it. Just enter, actually not enter, just switch the two places, and just hit save, hit run. Bleh. Brings up a huge menu. Then press S. Just do 10, 2, 8. See, it works now. If you want to be really picky like that. So 12, 6, I should get 2. Yes, I do. And that's gonna be it for this tutorial. And I'm just gonna switch back to my logo. So in the next tutorial, I have no idea what we're gonna do. I guess you have to just stay tuned to find out what we're gonna do, because it's gonna be a mystery. Yeah. So this is Thealphaprogrammer signing off. Bye bye.